Have you ever wondered what makes the Dr. Althea's 147 cream stand out from all the other skincare products? And in the end, I'm also gonna reveal a thing that no one mentions about this product, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Well, this cream has been gaining attention for its unique approach to repairing and strengthening the skin's barrier. It's been designed to provide long-lasting hydration and protection, making it a promising solution for those struggling with dry and irritated skin. Many of us have experienced the frustration of dealing with dry and dehydrated skin that just can't seem to get enough moisture. This is often a sign that the skin barrier is compromised, allowing moisture to escape and leaving the skin vulnerable to irritations. When the skin barrier is damaged, it can increase the water loss in your skin, which can leave the skin feeling tight and uncomfortable. The skin may also become more sensitive, making it react more easily to products and environmental factors. Now, not only this, damaged skin barrier can also lead to increased water loss, which can make your skin very tight. And this can be especially problematic during the colder months, which are like right around the corner, when the air is drier or in the air-conditioned spaces that strip the skin of its natural moisture. Furthermore, when the skin barrier is compromised, it becomes more prone to irritations. That's the reason before dealing with your pimple, oily skin, dry skin, you have to make sure that your skin barrier is repaired. Otherwise, all those skin concerns you cannot deal with without dealing with your skin barrier. Now, the good news is that there are several treatments available that can help restore your skin barrier, or by using products that are specifically designed to repair your skin, it's absolutely possible to regain a healthy, radiant skin. Understanding the cause of barrier damage is key to find the right solution. Now, Dr. Althea 147 Barrier Cream is packed with ingredients that work synergetically to repair and strengthen the skin's barrier. It features a blend of hyaluronic acid, ceramides, niacinamide, which are all known for its ability to provide hydration and supports the skin's natural barrier function. Now, hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it an excellent ingredient for locking in moisture. Now, ceramides, on the other hand, are essential ingredients that help to repair and restore skin's barrier function. They are a key component of your skin's natural moisture barrier and can help to lock in moisture and repair your skin. Niacinamide is a form of B3 that has been shown to have a range of benefits for the skin, from reducing inflammation to improving skin's elasticity. Now, the combination of these ingredients in Dr. Althea's 147 cream makes it an effective solution for addressing skin barrier issues. By providing long-lasting hydration and supporting the skin barrier conditions, this cream can help leave the skin soft, supple, and hydrated. With regular use, it's possible to see the significant change in your skin texture and tone. These are the things that have been scientifically proven by the ingredients that are there in the product. Now, talking about the results and what I feel about this product, it will help reduce fresh marks and pimple marks. The thing that no one talks about is that it will definitely help reduce fresh marks and pimple marks, but it's not gonna work on those brown spots that are already there on your skin. So let's say if you have pimples, it's gonna help calm down that acne, calm down that skin, and also work on those pimples, but it's not gonna work on the marks that are already there on your skin. And I will also say, just based on this moisturizer, you will not gonna see magical results, but again, it's definitely going to help you relieve painful acne and also calms down the redness of these pimples. But that's pretty much it that this product does for your skin. I feel like if that is your skin concern, you have like a lot of better alternatives present in the market that you can definitely invest your money in. And even I have talked about a lot of those kind of serums, so that works for this particular concern. So you can definitely check out the niacinamide videos on my channel by visiting my channel and clicking on the search bar. Type in niacinamide, you will gonna see all the videos of niacinamide that I've made till now. It's gonna be really helpful for you to deciding what you really want to buy. And that's all the information I wanted to share in this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this one, and I'll see you within another video. Till then, you can also subscribe to get notified on these kind of honest reviews. Let me know in the comment section which reviews you wanna see next. Till then, bye bye, take care.